Alright guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This is a top and bottom set, Vampire Fangs. Check that out. On the canines. Now this is solid 925 sterling silver. You got your diamond cuts. You got your diamond dust. Give that nice shine in the sun. Check that out. Alright, now this is available on our website, guys. blingcartel.com. It's handmade from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. So it's going to be a perfect fit. Check that out. Beautiful shine, handmade. Top, bottom, or a set. Alright, that's up to you. Well, there it is, guys. Check out the back real quick. Just snaps right on the teeth. Custom fitted Vampire Grillz 925 silver. Thanks for watching, guys. Diamond dust, diamond cuts. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, could do this all day long, guys. As always, y'all have a good one.